as part of its objective to addressing challenges impeding sustainable development and explore innovative solutions that civil engineering can offer to bridge the gap between infrastructure needs and socio-economic growth. The World Council of Civil Engineering had organized its first regional summit with a theme, Infrastructure Deficit and the Challenges of Development in Sub-Saharan African Nations. Speaking to Delegate TV on the importance of the summit, the Director General of Nigerian Building and Road Research Institute, Engineer Professor Samson Duna, and the National Chairman of Nigerian Institute of Civil Engineering, Engineer Chukwudi Ezugwu, have this to say.
The good thing about infrastructure is that it's basically a man cannot exist without infrastructure. Infrastructures are designed to make life comfortable for man. And today, the civil engineers are gathering under a summit for us to discuss some of the issues or some of the things we put in place to improve on the infrastructure deficit we have in Africa and Nigeria in particular. These infrastructures are very, very vital. But problems associated with maintenance, how they are constructed, the lifespan of the infrastructure, who are involved are some of the reasons why the researchers have come in as professionals to brainstorm to see the way out. And hopefully, after this wonderful conference, a communique will come out addressing problem, challenges, and the way forward. So today is a happy day for people like us who we are civil engineers, and we believe reputable researchers that were invited as speakers, resource persons, they are going to put in their best, because I can see from the bunch of researchers that has come, they came from different countries. We see people from Ethiopia, people from Zambia and others. We are going to combine their own experience to come up with a good recommendation on the way forward. Nigeria, we are not doing bad, but we need to improve on our area of maintenance so that our infrastructure will meet up the standard lifespan that was originally designed for.
Today is actually a special because this summit, the African Summit of the World Council of Civil Engineering in the whole world is holding for the very first time, and it's holding in Abuja, Nigeria. Of course, we know the relevance of Nigeria in the context of Africa. Apart from the fact that we are the most populous, we also have the highest GDP. So whenever I talk of anything Africa, Nigeria comes from. So this summit holding here is something we should all be interested in. Because we hope to, at the end of the day, develop solutions to massive infrastructure deficit in Africa. So we really need to it's our little contribution as civil engineers to see how we can move forward the issue of development, which is a lot I've called on infrastructure. But when we talk about infrastructure, civil engineers are very much, we are the foundation and building that will ensure that it's possible. We do hold different fora and different conferences. We have tried to present this because as civil engineers we know that the bottom of it's on actually on our shoulders. We have been doing our bit, but you know, what you can do is just bring the awareness while we hope and pray that government responds the findings and our recommendations so that we can easily move forward. If we're able to really develop our infrastructure, what can happen in Nigeria? Just let me talk about it. The country of 200 million people, our GDP is too low. It means that most of us are not working. So, and the level of infrastructure.
At the summit, Africans were advised to see civil engineering as a backbone that laid the foundation for economic growth, improved livelihood, and increased resilience to the challenges of the future. Augustus Oche Ifene, Delegate TV, Abuja.